This video will show OPM creation. We will edit the OPM. Okay. Before that, we have to look at this. What is the meaning of OPM? What is the index? What is the structure of EPUB? I have one sample EPUB file. I am opening it in WinRAR. See the structure. Meta user. It contains one container file. Next OPF or OEBPS. You can use OEBPS also. OPS means Open Package Structure. Okay. OEBPS means Open e-book packaging structure. Okay. And one MIME tag file. Now I want to create a structure for my file. I have already one meta file. Next I want one OPS. Otherwise I am creating one folder with name OEBPS. Okay. OEBPS means Open e-book publishing structure. Okay. In OPS, it has image styles, package.opf, device.mx. I have already my XHTML folder. Already I have my styles folder and images folder. I am moving all these things into OEBPS. I have already some sample files like TOCMX and content.opf. I am moving these two also in OPS. Okay. I have my MIME files. Remaining all these things I am moving into some other file and closing it. Placing a dump folder. I am moving. All these into dump. I know that this thing also I am moving into dump. Now I have a folder structure like meta-inf, OPF means OEBPS, MIME tag. Okay. First I will explain. Okay. I am opening it. I am refreshing by pressing R. I am opening OEBPS. I am opening content.opf. Alt text HTML mode. It has some lines. Some opening with package and closing with package. It has some main part of elements. Those are metadata started from here, ended here. Next manifest. Next spine. Next guide. So what are all these things? Metadata contains our title of the PDF, otherwise our title of the EPUB. Creator means author of the EPUB, author of that particular book. Source means we can use publisher name also here. Okay. Next book ID has its ID. Every book has its own ID. Like suppose this book ID is this one. ISBN, International Standard Book Number. Okay. That is called book identifier. Next publisher means our publisher. Next language means which language this book contains. It is in English language, that's why EN. Next type, total this book contains text. Format means you can use page number. Suppose I have 24 pages now, you can use 24 pages. Rights means should be all rights reserved. Okay. Meta name equal to cover, content equal to cover image means whenever I am opening it, it should open with cover. Whenever I am installing this EPUB file in my phone or in my iPad, that icon should be a cover image. Okay. That installed icon should be a cover image. For that I am using this method. After that manifest. Manifest means how many HTML files it has, how many JPEG files it has, how many CSS files it has. We have to explain in this OPF. We have to mention in this manifest. Like suppose I am opening two windows. I am opening XHTML. In this it has, we have to mention that 11 XHTML files in manifest file in an order. Suppose I am mentioning like It is opening a item. After that, it should contain one ID. Suppose this is front cover. So first XHTML file. So I am giving XHTML underscore 0. Sorry, 01. Okay. ID completed. Next, where it is, we have to give href tag. Suppose my file is in here, content.ops. Okay, content.ops is in here. The base ID it has XHTML folder. No? That's why I am giving XHTML. In that it has this file. So by copy. Sorry, I am copying here. Paste. Okay. And we have to mention what is the media type of this file. Media type means this file extension is XHTML. So that media type we have to give it. It is a application by extension XHTML in XML format. Okay. Selfless. Finish. We have to give like that remaining XHTML files. Okay. Now I am copying this to remaining 10 times. Pasting in 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I am changing first IDs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually 10, 11. Okay. So XHTML folder is completed. Next, styles folder. You can use first images folder, next styles folder. So no need to first XHTML folder. But second I am using style sheet. Item ID equal to CSS underscore 1 means it is first CSS, which are here same like that. Styles folder, this is the folder name. In that it has style CSS media type should be, it contains a text with CSS extension. Okay, like that. Next, images. We have two images now. Item ID equal to image underscore 1, which are equal to images by cover.jpg. Media type is, it is an image with extension JPG. Suppose you are using PNG file, you can use PNG. Okay. Now I am using JPG files. For second I am copy, paste, image to, name is table 1. Okay. See, here we have mentioned one cover name. This content should be equal to our cover image. So our cover image ID should be equal to this content. That's why I am giving cover image here, same ID, cover image. Okay. So I mentioned image. So we have two images. Next, I have NCX files. I will explain NCX in next video, but I mentioned here. Item ID equal to NCX underscore 1. Otherwise, we have only one NCX only. That's why I am giving NCX. NCX is a single file. It contains only some navigation control of our XML file. Okay. HRF. It is side binary. That's why I'm giving to the NCX. Why? Because it is the side of our OPF file. Media type. It is a application with XML DTB NCX extension in XML format. Okay, this is our NCX file. Next, we have mentioned all images, we have mentioned all style sheets, we have mentioned all XHTML files, we have mentioned this thing also. But we no need to mention about meta, env and container. Okay, so I have mentioned all the things. Next, spine. Spine means which order book should be. Suppose first I want cover image, next I want half title, next I want title, next I want forward, next I want acknowledge. So this is the order of the PDF. Now, the same like XHTML files also give the same order with the ID, with item ref, ID replace. And closing it. Suppose first I want cover, so we have to check where is the cover. This one, XHTML. It contains XHTML underscore 01 ID, so I'm copying it, paste. So next I want half title, I'm copying it, paste, I'm removing it. Next I want half title ID is 02, I'm copying it, paste. Okay. Next I want title, copy, paste. Our title contains 03. If it is suppose 0 like this, we have to give in this ID only, like copy, paste. It is not based on the disorder. It is based on the book order. Okay, spine must be based on the book order only. But I think so. For the order, 3 is better, and I am changing this. I have already given all are in same book order. That's why I am giving 4, 5, 6, 10, 11. Enough. So, spine contains TOC is equal to NCX, means it contains a table of contents with NCX file. So this ID should be equals to this one. Suppose you have given NCX underscore 1, you have to mention like that. Okay, but I have already given one NCX now. This is better. Spine completed. Next, guide. Guide means suppose if I am installing this EPUB with iPad, so that cover image I want that installation icon contains my cover image. So you have to mention like reference type equal to cover, title equal to cover page, href equal to, it is in XHTML folder with the name this. Okay, and it should follow contents, means keywords. You can give any name here, but you have to follow the same type. Type should be cover, TOC, text, like that one. Okay, TOC means here cover 75. Yes. Then OPF is completed. So I am rechecking it. So first I have to give the title of the file. I am giving here. Title is okay. Next other name. I have given other. Source is IML book ID. So this ID is equals to unique identifier. Suppose you have given book 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to give this ID is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. These two must be equal. This ID and this unique identifier. Okay. You can do identifier from here. Our ISBN. Publisher is International Monetary Fund. You know that. Language is English. Text and it contains suppose 24 pages. 3 videos within next week. So, we have completed meta like that. In manifest, it contains the items of our file. So first XHTML, how many 11. Next CSS, how many 1. Next images, how many 2. So we have to mention all the things with media tag. Okay. Next spine. Spine is equal to author of the book based on the PDF. After guide for installation, it will show the icon in iPad, in mobile phones. Okay.